I grabbed these paint sticks from Lowe's. They came 10 in a pack for 98 cents, and you will need 2 packs. I took 12 paint sticks and lined them up. And you want to make sure that the numbers are facing up because this is the back side. I also switched which side my numbers started on every other paint stick. And then I took 2 more paint sticks, and using my hot glue gun, I placed them on top of the 12 paint sticks to attach them. Next, I used General Finishes Antique Walnut Gel Stain, and I took a paper towel and covered the entire board. You can also do the back side. Once the board was covered, I took a dry piece of paper towel and wiped it off. Once the gel stain was dry, I took some white paint and a chip brush and applied it on top of the gel stain. And then I had this wood heart cutout that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I put it in the center of my board, and using a pencil, I traced around it. Using a small art brush in this pink color that we got from mixing some YSL paints together, I filled in my heart. Once this was dry, I took a 220 grit sandpaper and sanded the entire front. And you can distress this to your liking. You will then want to clean off your board. I found these wood tile Valentine pieces from Hobby Lobby for $3.49. Using the hot glue gun, I attached some of the wood tiles to the inside of the heart, and it's going to read the word love. And we finished it by taking some thick jute to use as the hanger. And now you have yourself this cute farmhouse style wall decor. Now you can use these paint sticks to make your board, and you can put whatever you want on it. Thank you so much for watching. You could find the paint products over on our webpage, and don't forget to go over to YouTube to check out some of our other tutorials. Have a great day.